Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to this website, which is the PhET Interactive Simulations. I use it a lot with my chemistry students, and there's just a bunch of resources out there, and they're all free. So in any case, you can see that it's mostly for math and science, and there's all different kind of simulations. I'll show you one quick one that I like to use with chemistry. Originally, all the simulations ran through Java, and they needed to be downloaded, but as you can see that they are switching from Java applications to HTML5, so they're more internet-based applications. In any case, one of my favorite ones is this one here, Balancing Chemical Equations. So you can see I could just click right on play and the simulation runs. There's an introduction here that I'll use with my students. Once they get the idea on how to balance chemical equations, I ask them to play the game. There's all different levels. I'll just show you level 1 very quickly. It really is a nice way to help them visualize how the atoms are bonded together and the changes during any chemical reaction. It also helps them to count the atoms as they're trying to balance equations. Again, the only way to balance an equation is to decide what coefficients go in front to multiply the number of molecules that they have so that the equation can become balanced. The game here can be run on a timed feature or not timed, but again it runs with 2 points. You get 2 tries to balance the equation, and if you get it wrong on the first try, you can try it again. If you get it right on the second try, you get 1 point. If you get it right on the first try, you get the 2 points. So hopefully I can do this with 2 points on each one very quickly as I'm showing you this. Another thing that I'll ask my students is what type of reactions are they seeing. They should recognize this is a synthesis reaction. And again, they're trying to see how the atoms are changing, how they're bonding. But we got to have the same total number of atoms that we start with to finish up with. We can't be missing any atoms. And so that's what they're trying to decide, how to balance the reaction so that we're not missing any atoms. All right, in this case, it looks like I just need one more of these, hopefully. And again, we have to have at least one of each, can't have zeros. And by counting the atoms, we should be able to find a simple balance. And that's what we've been able to do. And I really like this game. I like to see that. Anyway, I hope that you like this quick introduction to the PhET simulations, and I hope that you'll explore them. Okay, thanks, bye.